Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a keyboard from MSI. This is the Forge GK600 TKL wireless, and this is the box of it. On the top of the box we have the keyboard itself, the MSI logo. It says that we have RGB LEDs. On the back we have some features which we're gonna go through. So essential keys, sensational typing, enjoy the silence, intuitive control and display, resilient aesthetics, tailor your switch anytime, versatile and long lasting. So basically what that means is that we have a display right here in the corner. It's a mechanical keyboard, so you can hot swap the keys and the switches. It's got a 3-mode connection, so we got wired, wireless and Bluetooth. You can switch between them, and I'm pretty sure with the Bluetooth function you press the FN key plus something, and you'll be able to switch between multiple Bluetooth devices that you are already connected to. We have some specs right here on the right side. So key switches, linear mechanical, PBT die sub keycaps, 1000 Hz pulling rate, 100% anti-ghosting, per key RGB, 3-mode connection as I said. The cable length it's 1.8 meters, and then we have the dimensions. Yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a European Union regulatory notice. It's not a user manual. If you guys want a user manual, the box has a QR code on the side. Feel free to scan that and it will send you to a page with a user manual, so you can understand what this keyboard can do, how to use the RGB, how to use the screen, and everything else. It's pretty simple anyway, but I suggest you guys give that a read so you can understand basically what this keyboard can do. They also included a switch. This is the same switch we find in the keyboard. It's a linear switch, 5-pin. We have a keycap and a switch puller right here. As I said, this keyboard it's mechanical, so you can customize the keycaps and the switches to whatever you like, really. We have a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which has a length of 1.8 meters. And this is the keyboard. It comes with a dust cover, MSI branded, looks really nice. And this is how the keyboard looks like. And on the front right here, obviously we have the keys. It's a 10 keyless keyboard. We're missing the num keys on the side. We have a screen right here on the top right corner. The back of the keyboard, we have some rubber feet on all 4 corners. Then we have some stands. You can adjust the keyboard, basically the tilt of the keyboard from medium to high. They also have rubber on them, so it won't go anywhere once you set it. We have the 2.4 gigahertz wireless receiver right here, which you can take out and plug it to any of your available USB Type A ports. And we have some switches right here if I zoom in. So we have the Bluetooth function on the top, USB, which means wired, and the wireless 2.4 gigahertz mode. And we got another switch if you want to switch from Windows to Mac. This keyboard can do both, which is absolutely great. And pretty much that's it with the box. That's all you get. Let's go ahead and set everything up to our PC. I'm gonna show you guys how it will look next to your setup, and we do a sound test of the keys, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the features. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks next to your setup when it's all turned on, plugged in, everything is working, the RGB is flashy, I really love it, the screen is on. To connect the keyboard to your PC was really simple. All you had to do is get that 2.4 gigahertz receiver from the bottom of the keyboard that I showed you earlier, and then plug it into any available USB Type A port on your PC and it will work straight away. Of course, make sure you switch the back switch right here to wireless as I did. The keyboard, it's very responsive due to that 1000 Hertz pulling rate. That should be the norm of today's keyboards, even in wireless. If we press the Windows key, there's no input delay, no nothing in wireless mode, which is absolutely amazing. We have the screen right here, which has some functions. So you can see the battery percentage, you can see what mode you're connected to, if it's Windows, if it's Mac, and so on. And if you want to look around in the menu of the screen, hold the FN key, which is the MSI Dragon right here, the logo, and then you have side arrows and enter to select. So FN, side arrow, we have the brightness, we have the RGB modes. Let's select this one. So we have brightness 60%, 100, 0. Now the RGB is turned off. Really handy. Press enter again to select. Go to the next mode, press enter. This is the speed. So the speed of the RGB, which way will go. This is super slow, and this is super fast, the maximum. Select. Then we have the volume adjustment, but you can also adjust the volume with the F keys right here. So if you hold FN plus F11, for example, you'll be able to adjust the volume accordingly, step by step. It's super simple to use, but if you don't want to do that, you can do it from the screen as well. And yeah, it's a really great keyboard. I'm gonna get close to the keyboard now, and I'm gonna type some stuff, and maybe you guys can hear it. Sounds absolutely amazing. MSI did a really good job with this keyboard. The typing experience feels super solid. Let's go ahead and press some keys. Yeah, I absolutely love the sound of it, and yeah, it's a great keyboard from MSI. They done a really good job with it. I like the screen, I like the RGB, I like the typing experience. It's a really solid competitor to other keyboards right there. If you guys want to buy this keyboard, I will definitely recommend it. You will find the link for it in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.